This is ZTE Axon 30, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can check the mobile data usage on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch the General Settings app. In here, enter the dedicated mobile network category, then go for the mobile data section. And in here, you'll be able to see how much of the mobile data or cellular data you have used in the current period of time, which is each month is the new period. So basically, currently it is showing the cellular data usage for solely the SIM card number 1, since it is my SIM card of preference for the mobile data. Thus, if you would like to check the cellular data usage for another SIM card, just change the preference. So I'll do just that, reload the page, and as you can see, or did not take that much effect, let me just reload the whole settings app. And after that, I'll be able to see the data usage for the SIM number 2 as well, which I'm not able to. That's really odd, should I say. Oh, my bad, of course. You'll just gotta scroll the page down for a little bit in order to find the data for another SIM card, which is SIM card number 2 over here. So excuse me for the confusion. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.